Okay, sum of the years digits is a depreciation method that is also used. It's a little aggressive, and in this video we're going to walk you through how to create the sum of years fraction, calculate the depreciation, and then calculate your ending book value. So our directions tell us that we're going to use the same asset as we did before. So we're going to have a truck whose original cost is $90,000. Salvage value is $6,000 with an estimated useful life of 3 years. To calculate this fraction, we're going to work on this year system. Okay? And here's the way you do it. If it's a 3-year asset, we're simply going to write out the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay? And we're going to add them up. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives you 6. This 6 becomes the denominator of the fraction that we're going to use. Okay? And then the numerator is simply these years flipped around. So if you look at the notes that I gave you, 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives you 6, and we flip these years around 1, 2, 3. So in year 1, we're going to have 3/6 depreciation. Year 2 will be 2/6, and finally year 3 will be 1/6. So when you are doing this method in Applia, you can plug in your years. Honestly, I would put my fractions in first. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, just like that. Okay. Now, to calculate the annual depreciation, this is really important, and I put it here in your notes. I'm going to apply the depreciation to the fraction. Okay? So find full depreciation by taking your original cost and subtracting salvage value. 90,000 minus 6,000. Not your book value. So I'm not even going to worry about this column just yet. I'm going to work on this column. And I'm going to apply $84,000 worth of depreciation to each fraction. Okay? And the way I would do that is take $84,000 and I'll set it up like this, where I do this number, so my total depreciation, I'm going to multiply it by the numerator and divide it by the denominator, and I'm going to get $42,000. That is my annual depreciation for year 1. Okay? For year 2, I'm still going to use $84,000. That's important, and this is why I like to do this column first. I don't want to be confused by this column right now. Okay? So 84,000, except this time we're going to use the numerator 2. We can kind of stretch this down. 84,000 times 2 divided by 6 gives me 28,000. And then finally, 84,000 times 1 divided by 6. And that's going to give us 14,000. Once you have this column completed, then you can start figuring out your ending book value. And we work left to right. The original cost is the beginning book value of year 1. Beginning book value minus annual depreciation is going to give you an ending book value. In this case, it's going to be $48,000. Whatever I end year 1 with, I'm going to start year 2 with. And then I depreciate it again. 48 minus 28 is going to give me 20. Whatever I end year 2 with, I start year 3, and then 20,000 minus 14,000 gives me my $6,000. And you'll notice that's my salvage value as well. So that's how you do the sum of years digits method of depreciation.